What's up, guys? Back with another video. So we're going to be doing a video on Prestige 2022 football. It's going to be a quick rip. So it's a different type of video that I usually do. I'm showing you cards and stuff. I was going to do vintage card collection, but I'll do that in the next video. So let's get on with this video. Peace.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. So we're going to be doing a video on Prestige 2022 football. It's going to be a quick rip. So it's a different type of video that I usually do. I'm showing you cards and stuff. I was going to do vintage card collection, but I'll do that in the next video. So let's get on with this video. Please do this thing. So it's Prestige 2020 football. So let's do this. It will be a quick rip. So let's do this. It'll be Robbie Anderson, Vita Vea, Andrew Thomas, Kyler Murray. I'm sorry what happened to Kyler Murray, but it happened, and they weren't going to do anything in the next couple weeks anyway with them, because they would have to win like every game anyway to make the playoffs or even have a chance. Rookie Travion Davis Price, Matthew Stafford extra points, could be not worth it. Jaquari Robertson, Jalen Weidermeyer, Rashawn Slater, Josh Jacobs, and Darius Leonard. So in this one, they're in their college uniforms still, so it's not really, if anyone wants to see the odds are really small, so if you want to zoom into it, you can. So this set has look out for, I think it was red parallel and blue parallel cards. So that's what it was to look out for. So this next pack is Saquon Barkley, Leonard Fournette, Jamal Williams, Jalen Johnson, Kyle Pitts, TJ Powerhouse, red Kayvon Thibodeau might be worth it. That's the hit pile. That's the like base pile, not great pile. DeMarvis Leal, Devondre Campbell, Jalen Ramsey, and Quentin Nelson. So second to last pack. Not got anything great except for this Kayvon Thibodeau right now, because he might be worth it because he was like top 5 pick. Austin Davis, Harold Landry, Deshaun Watson, Justin Tucker, Cole Kmet. Any given Sunday, Jamar Chase, Alec Pierce might be worth it. Jerome Bettis extra points. Devontae Parker, Fred Taylor, and Randy Moss, and Kid Reporter. So if you want to get that code, you can. And I think it those expire in like January, and the last pack, I think I opened one of these packs off rip and got pretty lucky. So that's what I wanted to do. Miles Sanders, Noah Fant, Antoine Bolden, Trayvon Diggs, Christian McCaffrey, time stamped Cooper Cup. Arnold Ebiketie, DeAndre Hopkins to 54 of 199, Jalen Phillips, Dalton Schultz, and Jeff Okudah. So if you guys like this video and want to see more, like the video, subscribe down below, comment down below what you want guys want to see next, and Dave will be back with another video in a couple of days. Peace.